Okay, here the faces of the playing cards are all different, but the backs are the same. Alright, please help me write something at random. The more you write, the better. Next, I will write some information on my whiteboard. Let me show you first. Hello. Alright, in the next step, I hope to touch this deck of playing cards. Okay. Alright, according to your preferences, you can take cards from the top, from the middle, or from the bottom. Any way is fine. You can put any number of cards into my hand, 1 by 1, or 2 at a time, 3 at a time, even 10 at a time. Anything goes. The messier the better. The messier the better. This process needs to be completely random. Okay, you can add a few more cards if you want, to actually make the whole process more challenging. Right now, it looks too easy. Alright, the next thing I'm going to do is the first step. This is actually the choice you just made. You dealt the cards randomly, right? There was no order at all. You took them from the middle and the bottom at random. Take a look. Oops, I made a mistake. I got it wrong. Do you still remember the message I wrote before we started? While you were shuffling the cards, I was already making a prediction. It was the Queen of Hearts. It's the Queen of Hearts. Oh my god, but actually all along, I was very confident myself. My intuition never fails. This 2 of diamonds isn't just a coincidence, actually. Wow, that is absolutely incredible and truly amazing to see.